Hey, top to bottom at ya. Well, down to the wire. We are finishing up, getting everything we need for our pop-up shop. Of course, we didn't make stuff the whole store, just some things to introduce top to bottom to the community, and so they can get an idea of what we have. So, a lot of the stationaries in here, bags, flyers, instruction, wrapping stuff. Of course, the oils. We have the Indian Rose, the Calming Chamomile. We got avocado butter lotion, great for the summer. Very moisturizing, but not heavy. Face washes. This one is the passion fruit. The hair growth. Then I have this is a tester for the glycolic acid toners for those who are trying to get that skin right, clear. This is a new one. This is coming to the store. This is a new Sunny Citrus Wash, great for acne, salicylic acid, beard wash, detoxifying beard wash. Then we got my lovely rose hip seed elixir. What we got here? The new vitamin C serum. This one has vitamin C and alpha arbutin, which actually pushes the vitamin C to work better. We got the niacinamide serum with passion fruit and passion flower. This is also lovely. I like to alternate actually between the two serums, one in the day, one in the night. I did the cocoa butter custards, but I did them small. I made some minis. Cocoa vanilla is a popular one. And the peachy cashmere. We got the bonnets. And we got the shampoo bars, brightening soap, conditioning bars. And we got some aromatherapy. Oh, wait, I don't know if you can see that. The aromatherapy balls. There's more in here. We actually got to load these boxes up in here. We got the lip conditioner. This is one of the colors. This is one of the lighter colors. And this is my favorite. Nope, that's the darker one for those who like the fine wine. This one here, I think this is it. The one I wear all the time, Russet. And we got just the original lip conditioner. They all have hyaluronic acid in it. They all have the same wonderful ingredients. The colors are just, they're not mica. They're iron oxide. And they're safe and been tested. Then, of course, we got to bring out more candles, the large candles. I don't know if you remember what the large candles look like. These are the big 16-ounce ones. And then here we got our minis in the truckloads. And here, all the minis. And I got to put all the oils and stuff in here. All the stuff on the counter. I got to put in these bins so we can load them up. And we got little testers in there so they can smell it, feel it, get an idea before they purchase. And I think that is it. We'll be packing everything up. We'll be out and about, live streaming tomorrow, so stay tuned. Hit that notification bell for all so that you can make sure that you get the notification when we go. We really appreciate your company and your support as we go through this first time experience. And it's a small place, but we're gonna see what it's like out here in these streets. Okay, thank you for watching. top to bottom at you.